Hello mes amours, bonsoir, 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 comment vous allez? Ça fait fête, n'a boulé. Ça fait longtemps nous pas moi dans le channel là. On va monter, on va faire vidéo. So aujourd'hui là, son plaisir, son contentement pendant que Timoun yo off, moi sur travail. Et puis il me dit, faut que ça me pas petit love là nous avons Sophie avec moi là ici et nous dit à la pour bien passer pour faire bail nous pour faire
croissants.
blueberry
Croissants.
yes.
I want to put
So mais qui très simple. Surtout yo chita là, yo besoin petit bail pour passer dans bouche yo, you know, and then qu'on y a nous choisir pour nous aller faire. Nous allons get un gun and là, you get a welly. So this Sophie. You ready?
And don't forget.
So nous Sophie a bien préparé là. Comme ton bagage Sophie.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell, and comment on if you're doing it or if you're not.
Oh my God. Nous tenez ça dit nous? Just follow instruction, guys. So nous besoin de faire channel Mamie grandi.
And make sure you have a grown-up to guide you through.
Oh wow! So guys, nous allons ampil, nous allons ampil commentaire, nous allons parler ampil. So nous allons commencer pour voir quels ingrédients on a besoin et comment nous allons faire et voir comment réussir et les sentir bon et les goûter tout, ok? Et si vous avez joué pour amuser pendant quelques jours à faire là, les rétés, tu vas connaître la Miss Girl. So, moi je Miss Girl moi dit. On allait nous voir ensemble avec moi comment ça va le passer. Okay guys, nous parti. Ouais là comment nous commencer à faire et comment que lui va réussir, OK?
I'm making mine like a hot dog.
Yeah, you make a big one.
Yep.
But me, I don't like the big one, I like the small one.
And a lot of cream cheese.
Yeah, I don't like too much cream cheese on mine, girl. I like this small.
Trust me, when you taste mine, you're gonna ask, can we switch?
Mine gonna be better, guys.
No, it's not.
Mine gonna be better.
Comment down below.
Yes, mine gonna be better. And then guess what? I make it style.
I make it a hot dog style. That's old fashioned.
Old fashioned?
That's the old fashioned.
Wow. Look what I'm gonna do. Huh? Everybody gonna love mine and
no,
you.
They're not. They're gonna say Sophia.
They're gonna say Simone.
Comment down my name, Sofia. Hers is Sandre.
Period.
Comment down my name.
Guys, you're gonna love mine better than hers.
Mine is gonna be the best.
Nope, mine is the best.
Mine
is the best.
You know I'm
the chef. Excuse me, chef. Woo! I got chef here. Chef Sophia.
You better start paying.
Give me that. Give me that, chef. Huh? Look at mine. Look at my chef.
Yours?
Oh, you see what you do? Jesus, you see that?
Revenge.
Oh my God. Wow, you see what she do? Look, I'm gonna make a love. It's perfect love. Woo! Look at mine. Hey,
you look like a
hey.
No, I'm middle school.
Look at my Jesus. Ooh, oh, mine is different. Tell me, guys.
Look at mine. Look at mine. Compare to her.
Leave mine alone. Everybody gonna be love all mine.
Love yours?
Yes, ma'am.
They would love mine.
Yes, ma'am.
They would love mine more.
Watch.
Just watch it.
You're gonna see all the comments.
It's gonna say Sophia.
Huh?
Yes, Sophia.
Really? Why you think so?
Because I'm the chef.
We Chef Sophia. Chef Sophia in the room. Chef Sophia on the world.
Comment
Anyway.
Sophia with the heart.
Mine's gonna be better. Mine's gonna be better.
No, mine is since it has this one has only cream cheese.
But I make a style. You don't make no style on yours.
I am. Just watch.
Watch? Okay, I'm watching.
The next one is gonna be a little tiny heart.
Look at this. Oh my God.
I will ruin it.
Oh my God. Look at my baby. Kitty kitty. Guys, look at it. Look at that. Look at that, guys. You see? Oh my God. Look at that. That's pretty.
I definitely have some style. I'm doing some style.
Go, Sophie. Chef Sophie. You a chef? Show me that. Show me Chef Sophie. Show me.
I'm making our ice cream cone.
Oh my God, she making ice cream cone. But you need to put some in over here. Why you don't put some in there?
I am. Just watch my
Too much. Oh my God, who's gonna eat that?
Well,
Too much cheese on it. Jesus.
I'm putting more Jello.
Too much cheese. Oops.
It's gonna be strawberry and chocolate.
Oh, guys, she make a nice one. I'm jealous now.
Yeah.
I'm jealous. I'm trying to make a big, beautiful one too.
And then little dot.
Uh-oh, I'm jealous.
Exactly.
She might be.
Confirm me because I learned it.
Anyway, she's a chef. I'm not. She says she's a chef. Chef Sophia.
Watch out.
Okay.
I'm gonna win.
Okay, you gonna win?
Yeah.
Okay, watch out too.
Just watch me beating you in the comments.
You're gonna see. You're gonna see what is going on, guys. Nous allons manger maïs vin na ferme. Guys,
Mama, be high.
let's go, Sophia. Let's do the challenge. I know I'm gonna make a beautiful one right here. Right here.
I should make
Ooh.
a heart.
God, show me how to make mine. I wanna be win. I don't want Sophia win.
Well, you're in luck because I have an idea.
What idea you have?
I'm not telling you so you don't copy on the next one.
God.
Don't do that.
That's why you treat your mommy?
No.
Jesus, this is a competition. That's why, right?
Yep.
Okay.
And I'm going to win in the comments.
Okay, I'll see. I'll see.
You'll see, they'll say, Sophia, 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 Sophia.
Right. Sophia. Okay. I'll see, Mama.
I'll see.
Mine gonna be better. It's gonna be better.
Minus.
Better.
Minus.
Oh, minus.
Minus.
Better. Look at one. Jesus.
You copied mine. That's it.
I'm not copying you.
Yes, you did. You copied me. She copied me. You copied me.
Guys, you think I'm copying Sophia?
That's
Sophia, I don't want hers like that. Mine is different, Sophia.
If I show the camera.
Okay. Let's finish. You're gonna show everybody the comment. Come on.
Identical to mine. Look at this.
Oh my God, mine is different.
I should have told you.
Mine is different.
I'm sure it's not.
It's not. Why
It looks identical.
not? Wow.
It looks identical.
Wow. Guys, I'm gonna make one. They're gonna be, Sophia gonna be surprised when you see it.
Guess what, guys? I know you all love me.
Guys, you don't love me? Yes, they love me. You try to make me cry.
No.
You're not gonna make me cry. I'm gonna be win, no matter what it is. I'm gonna be win.
Look,
Yeah.
Look, it's a little
Really? Okay. Okay. You're gonna see mine. I'm not gonna tell you what I'm doing. I'm not gonna tell you.
Stand and bow before the queen.
Oh, excuse me. Excuse me, queen. Excuse me, princess Sophie. Ha. Look at me. Look at me. Boom. Look at me.
Ooh, I should make a roll up. Guys, I'm gonna make a croissant and I'm gonna make a roll up. I'm gonna make a roll up croissant.
Ooh. My way here.
Be bowed.
It's good, guys. It's good.
Brian's gonna be jealous because he's not making it with us.
Let's do it. Let's do this. Yeah. Yes, guys. Watch me. I left a pate koderi. Pate kade.
Guys, watch me.
Yeah, you think you're gonna win?
Yes.
How many percent?
100%.
She says she's gonna win 100%. She's gonna win 100%.
What is that? Look at guys. I'm gonna make a fruit roll up. Ooh, next one. You're gonna be jealous.
Jealous for what?
Jealous for this.
Ew, that's not cute.
Well, the next one is.
Ew.
Guys, you like this one?
Mine gonna be better.
There's only one space for one.
Nope, mine gonna be better.
There's only.
Okay, guys. Now for supposé, now tourner tout à l'heure, okay? Okay, guys. Voila. This so good. Smell good. Tasty. Wow. I can't wait to eat that. You sure? Bala boule pour nous boule. Mal goûter là. C'est bon, nous avons fait ça pour les gens qui ont acheté au musée. Pour qu'on mange. Il y a toujours, même mettre un peu dans la plate là. Je vais montrer nous cette vidéo. So, vous pouvez voir comment on va manger là. Yes, guys. So good. Ça goûte à Sophie.
I'll taste this one.
Yummy. It's good. Yeah.
This one. Look, guys, look at the inside.
Inside so good. It's hot. Sophie, I want it.
Wait, this one's definitely mine because it has a lot of cream cheese.
Sophie, I want it. Guys, boule.
It's hot. But it's definitely worth it. Get it burned, it's definitely worth it.
Mes amours, gâti pour nous là avec boire de l'eau. C'est comme ça nous t'a bien passé là. Même monde qui pas là dedans, mais c'est boire un tellement j'ai là. So et puis on peut faire. Let me get it on. I enjoy Timonio. Nous ba aussi tant l'amour one. C'est ça qu'on va richesse. So, pas oublier, mes amours, partagez, abonnez, like, commentez. Sophie a te dit nous ça. So, pour channel la ka grandi, tout nous abonner, nous commenter, moi venir plus force pour mettre plus vidéo, faire plus belle bagay. Et toute vidéo mais c'est mon Timoun moi yo, toujours bien passé, comprendre? Bien. So, pas oublier. Nous connaissons déjà, c'est abonner, commenter, partager. à tous amis, toute famille, côté, oh, et je suis fatiguée. So, je vais quitter nous là. Yeah! Je vais quitter nous là, je vais bien dormir. Je vais me lever demain matin. L'autre monde. So, mes amis, j'aime bien dire nous. Toujours enjoy la petite, non? Bon, quelqu'un soit si constant, pas quitter petit moun yo web. Je suis toujours ba love là, ba appréciation, yo mérité. So toujours mettre petit moun en premier dans tout ça qu'on a fait. Mettez bon Dieu first. Ça met petit moun yo. Pas la guerre moi même pas mieux m'a vivre sans yo. OK? So content pile. En tout cas, je dis merci à tout le monde qui peut regarder, qui peut partager, qui peut commenter, qui peut enfin. Moi, merci mon pile pour tout le monde qui subscribe à la chaîne là, ok? Ces amis pas nous Sandra qui aiment nous pile là. M'a toujours aimé nous banon love là. Banon. Malé. Now encore. Bisous. I love y'all.